Common misconceptions about college kids is that they must drink to have a good time, drink to fit in, and drink to relieve stress. While alcohol can be enjoyed responsibly by adults, it gets hazardous for students under the age of 21 due to their lack of experience and the potential for binge drinking, which is defined as consuming excessive alcohol over a short span of time. This can lead to serious risks, accidents, and even death. College students often drink to excess and use alcohol as a way to socialize. Unfortunately, they may not be aware of the risks associated with its consumption. According to a journal article titled Magnitude and Prevention of College Drinking and Related Problems by Ralph W. Hinkson, alcohol consumption is a common problem on college campuses. It is estimated that 3 out of 4 college students drink and about half binge drink. Data reflects that an alarming number of college students each year experience alcohol overdose, also known as alcohol poisoning, and must be transported to the emergency room. In these cases, the high amount of alcohol in the blood begins to affect areas of the brain that control breathing, heart rate, and temperature control. Underage college drinking can have severe consequences for students. Not only can it lead to physical health problems, such as alcohol poisoning, but it can also lead to mental health issues like depression and anxiety. Underage alcohol use can lead to poor academic performance and increased risk of sexual assault and even legal trouble. The consequences of underage college drinking can be far-reaching and long-lasting, so students need to be aware of its risks. Studies show that drinking in college students can lead to risky behaviors such as unprotected sex, involvement in criminal activity, and drunk driving. A DUI can be incredibly expensive, both financially and emotionally. Depending on the severity of the offense, a DUI can cost thousands of dollars in fines, court costs, and attorney fees. In addition to these costs, drivers may also face higher insurance premiums and a potential loss of their license. The emotional toll of a DUI can be just as costly. Drivers may experience feelings of guilt or shame that can last for years. Ultimately, the cost of a DUI is far too high for college students to take the risk. Alcohol poisoning is a severe issue among college students as well, with thousands of cases reported yearly. The effects of alcohol on the brain can be dangerous as it begins to interfere with the functioning of the central nervous system, which can lead to serious medical complications. When an individual's blood alcohol content is too high, they may experience confusion, slurred speech, memory loss, and even coma or death. This is why it is crucial for college students to be aware of their drinking habits and know when enough is enough. It is also essential for friends and family members to be aware of the signs of alcohol poisoning and to take action if they notice any concerning behavior. 19-year-old Madison Brooks' death in Baton Rouge is a tragic reminder of the dangers of excessive drinking. This tragedy serves as a warning to all that the consequences can be fatal.
Prosecutors say Brooks was too drunk to consent, and they arrested the teenager and 3 young men on rape charges. Lab reports show her blood alcohol level was .319. A lawyer representing Brooks' family recently told us there is no gray area in this case.
The risks of binge drinking and alcohol poisoning are real, and college students must take steps to protect themselves and their friends. Responsible drinking habits must be taught and enforced in order to prevent similar tragedies from occurring in the future. One way to stop college kids from drinking alcohol is to increase awareness of the dangers of alcohol consumption. Educating students on the short-term and long-term effects of alcohol can help them make informed decisions about their drinking habits. In addition, creating a culture on campus that encourages students to find alternative forms of entertainment can help reduce the number of college students who drink alcohol. For example, providing more social events and activities that do not involve alcohol can provide an enjoyable alternative for students. Finally, increasing enforcement of laws and regulations prohibiting underage drinking can also help reduce the number of college students who consume alcohol. In conclusion, the issue of drinking among college students is complex. On one hand, alcohol can provide college students with an enjoyable and social experience. However, on the other hand, it can also lead to serious health risks and even death if abused. As such, it is crucial for college students to be aware of the risks associated with drinking and to take steps to ensure that they engage in responsible drinking behavior, education, peer pressure, and parental guidance, which are all critical tools in helping college students make healthy decisions about their consumption. Mistakes are inevitable and can provide valuable lessons about the consequences of our actions and help us become more responsible. Drinking among college students is no exception. By understanding the consequences of the behavior, they can learn to make smarter, less dangerous decisions in the future.